Hello, welcome slashers, Night Grip here, and welcome back to my channel. Now for today's video, I will be unboxing another doll. So you guys are about to see what doll this is. You actually could probably tell by the title actually, but let's get into this. Time to do this. It's not the most accurate doll, but I like it. She has like a weird, brand new kind of smell to her. It's a little odd, but I'm gonna take. Wait, what? There's like a belt buckle in this. Oh Lord, look at the tattoo, and her nipple is boob. My God, I'm gonna be right back, guys. Okay guys, I am back. Yeah, I definitely didn't go to the bathroom to do things to this doll, but overall, yeah, it isn't bad. Looks like there's like a, I even noticed this in the back of her neck, but yeah, overall, not a bad doll. Like I said, it isn't the most accurate, but it isn't bad. If you couldn't have already guessed, she's gonna be a part of a Chucky vs. Slappy 3. And also look at those boots. It looks like she has leggings too. That's cool. It isn't the perfect doll, but it isn't bad. It's far from a bad purchase. So if you guys enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to join the Cinemas and Pasta family and become a slasher, and share, as sharing really helps the channel, especially this video. I really appreciate all the support, and yeah, it isn't bad. But I'm out of here, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.
I'm dying. Can't find her someone.